Today, I'm going to show you a drill that's going to improve your offensive and defensive reaction time when ground fighting. Let's check it out. The palm-to-palm drill is not just limited to stand-up combat. Here, two of my students work on developing tactile sensitivity skills for ground fighting. Advanced practitioners can also perform this drill with their eyes shut. Just remember to pay close attention to the energy or pressure your partner is giving you when performing this exercise.